In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write fractions in Notion. If you've been struggling to display fractions neatly in Notion, this tutorial is just for you. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who simply loves using Notion for organizing thoughts and projects, understanding this feature can make your notes look more polished and sophisticated. First, we need to leverage the power of Notion's built-in support for LaTeX, a typesetting system that is widely used for the communication and publication of scientific documents. It's perfect for anything where precision and clarity are key, like when you're writing mathematical equations. To start writing fractions, let's begin by typing a / on your keyboard. This is the command signal in Notion that tells it you want to use a specific feature or function. Now that you've typed the /, go ahead and type the word equation. You'll notice an option appearing to create a mathematical equation. At this point, simply press enter. You'll see a box appearing, letting you know that you can now input your equation using LaTeX syntax. This is where the magic happens. Next, to write a fraction in LaTeX, you will use a specific command. Begin with a / followed by the word frac, which is short for fraction. Then you'll enter an open curly brace. Here's where you input your numerator, which is simply the number that will be situated on top of the fraction. After typing your chosen number, close the brace. Without any spaces, open another set of curly braces where you'll type the denominator, the number that will sit below the fraction line. Once you've added this, close the last brace. To illustrate, if you're trying to write 1/2, you will type /frac, open curly brace, the number 1, close curly brace, open curly brace, the number 2, and close curly brace. It should look exactly like this. Frac 1. Once you've completed this step, look at your Notion page. You should see your beautifully rendered fraction displayed just the way you intended. Clean, professional, and easy to understand. If it doesn't look right, don't worry. Just double check your syntax for any typos. Remember that every little character and brace matters when you're dealing with LaTeX. And there you have it. By using these straightforward steps, you can start incorporating fractions into your Notion pages. This is particularly useful in mathematical notes, recipe scaling, or any situation where a visual representation of a fraction can save time and reduce confusion. Keep practicing with different numbers to get comfortable with this syntax, and before you know it, writing fractions this way will become second nature. With this tool in your Notion toolbox, your notes will not only be informative, but also exceptionally well organized.